Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating a clear, high-contrast QR and converting it into a grid pattern so each cell maps to one dot. Lay your chosen base, a 24 round board or 1M square, and mark a 1 cm grid with chalk. This keeps alignment precise. Prepare your powders: white rice flour, black charcoal powder for dark cells, and colored Rangoli for accents. Once the base and materials are ready, you can begin transferring the QR grid onto the marked surface. Now transfer the grid pattern cell by cell, working methodically row by row. Start with black cells. Load charcoal powder into a small syringe or narrow funnel and deposit each square carefully to match the traced grid. Use about 1/2 teaspoon per cell for uniform height, then level with a flat stick for even scanning. Alternate to white rice flour for light cells and add colored accents only after the QR blocks are stable. Make sure to check 3 reference rows. To finish, lightly compress the filled cells and sweep away stray grains with a soft brush so edges stay crisp. Then test by scanning from about 30 to 50 centimeters. If the code fails, increase contrast by reinforcing dark squares with more charcoal or broadening white cells with rice flour. If smudging occurred, carefully redefine the problematic cell edges using a thin charcoal pen and retest. Keep the Rangoli sheltered from breeze and touch until you confirm a successful scan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.